Hello, today is June 1st. I have a sideboard pump that came in for repair. PO number 513218. Okay, this pump did have a severe problem. It has a cylinder inside, and the seal went out, and in that case all the glycol spilled out, and so I took this whole pump apart, replaced the cylinder, which has new seals in it, and cleaned it, and now I tested for a long time, and I'm going to do a couple of dispenses to prove that it's dispensing. I have it set up for 15 mils, and it's dispensing 15 mils, and whatever I dial in is what it is dispensing. Now these pumps are rated to only dispense about 16 mils max, so I got it set up for 15. I'll do a couple of dispenses to prove that it's working. So here goes. Okay, so it's dispensing in this small beaker, and I'll lift the beaker up and show you that it's dispensing 15 mil. If you see the 20 scale up there, it's right at 15. Okay, so the pump is going to recover. It's recovering right now. I'll do another dispense, so it should equal to 30 mils. Test. Enter 1. Okay, so it's dispensing. It has a good dispense. The pump is working the way it's supposed to be. No leaks after the dispense. Suckback is okay. And that will conclude the test on this one pump. I'll put in the other pump, and we'll go from there. Thank you. Hi, today is June 1st. I have a sideboard pump here that came in for repair. This is the second of the pumps that came in for repair, and the PO number is 506523. I'm going to do a couple of dispenses with this pump. I did have to clean this pump, but it ran good when it came in, but I still went through it and cleaned it, and did a whole bunch of dispenses. So I got it set up again for 15 mils. I'll do a couple of dispenses to show that it's dispensing good. So here goes. Okay, that was my first dispense. The pump is now recovering, but if you can see here on the beaker, it's right on 15 mils. Okay, I'll do another dispense, which will equal to 30. Suckback is good. Dispense was really good. And here goes, second dispense. Like I mentioned previously, these pumps will only do about 16 mils. Okay, I have it right on 15, and it's dispensing 15 exactly, and it's right at 30 now, my second dispense. So this will conclude the test on this pump, and as you can see, it's running good. Thank you.